Go to a website we show you, copy a ready-made audio file, then go to one out of 4 secret websites we share with you in the members area, press paste, and you're good to go. We are making $6.95 per minute this way. Our beta testers all made commissions like this. And since we discovered this method and automated it with our app, we made much more. Yes, you can do this from your browser, without a website, without creating content, and without tech skills. The best part, this weird new opportunity is just about to explode. With the holiday season approaching and with people buying more things online than ever before in 2022, we are expecting the next 30 days to be our biggest yet. Average people with no skills are already using this method successfully. Our beta testers made much more because they were able to automate the process with our app, without doing any of the manual work and in much less time. So, would you like to be one of the success stories? Are you in? Okay, great. Okay, here's how this works. Hi, Art here from Team Black Belt, and Team Black Belt made millions of dollars online these past few years. And we always try to find new ways to make money online. Sometimes it's hard work, and that's why we create apps that automate 99% of it. We are always on the lookout for easy tricks and new loopholes. And when one of our students sent us a testimonial, we knew we had something. He was making commissions with a simple copy and paste. Going to one website, copying a ready-made audio file, then going to another secret website, pressing paste, and making $6.95 per minute this way, using nothing else but an internet browser. This is a brand new method almost no one knows about. It's completely untapped, new, and ready to use in 2022. And now is the time to jump in on this crazy trend and get a piece of the $57 billion pie. This is something that works over and over and over again. And our beta testers proved that it works for just about anyone who tries it. All of them made commissions in the first 24 hours. Again and again and again. This copy and paste method truly created life-changing commissions. And now that we automated 99% of the work with our app, it's time to go public with it. And don't worry, you don't need a website, you don't need to create content, and you don't need experience. All you need is our app, a browser, and our copy and paste system, and you're ready to start getting commissions using done-for-you ready-made audio files. Introducing Fearrless, the world's first app that allows you to create online commissions out of thin air with a simple copy and paste. Even if you are brand new, without a website, and without an email list. You don't need anything because our app automates the whole process. All you need to know how to do is copy and paste. If you've tried any other commission app, Fearrless will be like a breath of fresh air. And it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Copy. Copy one of the ready-made audio files from a done-for-you resource we show you. Step 2. Paste. Paste it into one of the secret websites we use and click go. Step 3. Profit. Watch as Fearrless generates sales on complete autopilot. It's literally the easiest thing you will ever do online. You will be using already existing done-for-you ready-made audio files, which means that you don't have to record anything yourself or create any kind of content. It's all automated and is the missing piece of the puzzle you need to generate online commissions like we do. All you need to do is copy and paste the audio files in 60 seconds or less, and then the Fearrless app does the rest of the work for you. And then you can send the commissions wherever you want to. Imagine finally being able to relax and not worry about your finances, knowing that you finally have a system that has the potential to generate you consistent commissions. With Fearrless, you don't have to create any content yourself. There is no recording, no designing, and no websites involved. You don't need to deal with funnels, SEO, list building, or anything else complicated. And yes, you've guessed it, all you need to know how to do is copy and paste, and Fearrless does all the work for you. So, can you copy and can you paste? Then yes, this can work for you. As long as you have an open browser and your fingers on the copy-paste buttons, you can generate commissions on demand. You can do this over and over and over again. And with no monthly costs, no setup fees, no content creation, and no worrying about traffic. This is exactly what I would share with myself if I could go back in time to my newbie days. After picking up Fearrless, you'll be one of the insiders. We've been developing Fearrless for months now, and 27 beta testers already proved that it's working. This opportunity is exploding right now, and you get to automate it all with Fearrless. But that's not it. If you'll decide to pick up Fearrless today, you'll get access to 8 exclusive fast action bonuses worth thousands of dollars. These will allow you to get even better results faster. You are also getting access to our exclusive VIP app for scaling up your results worth $1,997. That bonus alone will potentially triple your commissions. It is your unfair advantage over everyone else. However, this bonus will be only available during the initial launch period only, and we'll be taking it down, so hurry up if you want to get it. If you are seeing this video, it means that the bonus is still up, but you need to grab your copy of Fearrless right now. With thousands of people hitting this page, we have to limit this offer. After the initial launch period, we'll be changing the price to $97 per month, and it will still be a steal at that price level. But today, you can get it for next to nothing. Smart marketers know how to use automation, and today is your chance to start doing exactly that. This opportunity is extremely limited, and the price is going up really soon. So act now. You can get it for the lowest price it will ever be and get instant access to the app. And unlike other apps, Fearrless sets you up within seconds. It will allow you to finally see results online with no monthly fees. If you have a browser and you can copy and paste, you're good to go. But only if you act now. Click the Buy Now button below for instant access. You are literally one click away from unlocking the power of our copy and paste app. Fearrless comes with an unconditional 365-day money-back guarantee. Try it out, do a bit of copy pasting, make a few commissions, and then decide if this is for you. If it's not, just send us an email and we'll give you a refund. So click on the Buy Now button below for instant access. You can be up and running in under 60 seconds. You can do this over and over and over again. There is no limit to how much you can make and no monthly fees. You're getting access to the app, video training, case studies, and our world-class support team. But you must act now. There are no second chances. You can be inside the members area in less than 60 seconds. See you on the inside.